Here is a wonderful 2023 Honda Ridgeline. Here's a Ridgeline that's ready to handle rugged adventure in smooth, thoughtful style. Loaded with smart tech, clever storage solutions, and ingenious creature comforts, this hard-working pickup with an upscale feel is at home wherever your journey takes you. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, dual-zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, rear AC, alarm, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection. Feel the freedom of the unconventional and the delight of the extraordinary. Come in today and test drive this Honda Ridgeline.